Okay. Hey, remember when we practiced over there? Okay, backhand. Relax. Okay, step.
Every one of y'all are popping straight up.
Yeah, gotta stay down. Gotta stay down. It's your forehand.
It's their backhand, it's your forehand.
Their backhand, your forehand.
Sorry.
Your backhand. Alright, here we go. Stay down. Plant and throw. Plant and throw. Plant and throw. Footwork. Plant and throw.
Get around it.
Backhand hand.
Come on, get around it.
Backhand.
Put your feet up.
I know.
How am I supposed to get a backhand?
Plant and throw. Plant and throw.
Throw.
That's like
Your
the
throw.
moving and then. Should we take my out?
Forehand. There you go. Stay down when you throw it. Don't come up.
Short hop.
Alright, here we go. Short hop.
Aren't those guys in there?
No. It's supposed to hop.
Yeah.
There you go. Just like that.
Some people's kids, you know.
Short hop. There you go. Footwork. Nice throw. There you go. Footwork.
Oh, dang it. I didn't let it get low enough.
There you go. Don't let it get between your legs. Catch it up in front. There you go. Oh my gosh, you fell asleep over there. Come on now, come on. Footwork, baby. Footwork. Yeah. It's